Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about TrafficGuard for farmers. As a business owner, you want to reach more leads and attract more interest to your farm. If you have decided to use PPC to do this, you made the right choice. PPC for local farms is beneficial as it helps you be on top of searches and clients will remember your mind. Grow your digital advertising with confidence. 3 formidable layers of protection block both general invalid traffic, GIVT, and sophisticated invalid traffic, SIVT, to ensure that digital advertising results in real engagements. With visibility of traffic across thousands of campaigns, TrafficGuard's machine learning can identify emerging patterns, trends, and indicators of fraud quickly and reliably. Advertise and grow confidently. TrafficGuard's real-time fraud prevention keeps your traffic clean, increases reach, and drives return on ad spend. TrafficGuard's PPC protection makes it easy for businesses of all sizes to protect their Google Ads campaigns from click fraud. Getting set up is simple and takes just minutes. TrafficGuard actively monitors your Google Ads traffic and automatically blacklists sources of invalid traffic 24/7. Thank you. I hope that information helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about TrafficGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.